There is nothing called major ghusl and minor ghusl. Okay, ghusl is ghusl, and there is ghusl which is wajib, and there is ghusl which is recommended or mustahab. Wajib, after having an intimate relationship or in order to lift the major impurity due to sexual intercourse, sexual discharge, or perhaps with dreams, or women after their menses, that is called ghusl in order to lift the major impurity. And there is a recommended ghusl, going for Friday prayer or Eid prayer, that's recommended. What is in the ghusl of the recommended and the mandatory is the same. I begin by washing my hands, then washing the private part, then performing ablution, wudu, then washing my body beginning by the right side, then the left side, then finally pour water all over my body while rubbing. That is a ghusl which would even lift the major impurity if I intended so in the beginning, before I started the ghusl. Another thing I would like to say, with the ghusl, which you wows in order to lift the major impurity, I don't have to make another wudu by the end. I can pray with it. But the recommended ghusl, I must perform wudu afterward independently.